Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods to add an underline in your Microsoft Word document without any text. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So in the first method, this can be used Ctrl plus U. Now in order to demonstrate, I will use the on-screen keyboard so you can see along. Now first, just simply click on your screen right over here. Then press Ctrl and then hit U on your keyboard, and once you do this, it'll enable the underlined formatting in your document, which you can see right over here. The next thing that you have to do is just simply press Ctrl, Shift, and then just simply keep on pressing space. This key combination will insert a blank space with an underline. Now all you have to do is simply multiple times press the space icon and the blank underline will appear in front of you, which you can see right over here. Another method is to use the underscore key directly. So hold down your Shift key, then press the underscore key repeatedly. And this will type out a continuous line of underscore that acts as an underline without any text. Now for the third method, just simply press Ctrl plus U on your keyboard. That will enable the underline option. Then just simply press Tab key multiple times. For each tab, you will create an underline space across the document. This method is especially useful if you need a wider underline area, as you can see right over here. That's it. Those are 3 easy methods to add an underline without any text in your Microsoft Word. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.